Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're coming from Miss Vicki or Miss Alex channel, welcome to Roll Reviews. This was a very awesome collab to do. Fall is one of my personal favorite seasons. I love the vibe and the atmosphere that the fall climate brings. Though I'm in South Florida, we don't really get a shift in the climate. You still kind of feel it around you. And I thought this was very awesome to participate in. And it really just got the creative edge going. And so I will be continuing on with decorating outside of this challenge. But it was due to this challenge that got me going in the first place. The changes I made were a hybrid. They're a little big and a little small. I didn't want to, I like patterns and texture, and so I had to be careful not to go over the top, because I wanted the flexibility for the next season that you can build and add on to what was purchased this season. So again, if you are a subscriber to my channel, I would encourage you to, one, go check out Miss Vicki and Miss Alex video, which will be linked in the description box below. They are two awesome ladies. They are, when I get the time, I really enjoy visiting their channel, and I like the content in which they present. Secondly, I will be continuing on. So there are going to be other changes very soon that'll be in my background. And it was all because of doing this with the two wonderful ladies. And I really am grateful to have met them here on YouTube. I say that sincerely. So stay where you are. Don't move a muscle, because the tour is up next. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, feel free to do so. And if you want to give the video a thumbs up, I would very much appreciate it. Don't forget to go check out Miss Vicki and Miss Alex's channel, Life of a City Girl, and Miss Vicki's channel. Both will be in the description box below. Go check them out and give the girls a thumbs up. Have a blessed day, everyone. Don't move, because here comes the tour. Peace. Hey party people, here's the tour. It's subtle because I wanted it to be buildable, and I do have another piece of furniture that'll be added to this. So you may, depending on how how I'm positioned during recording, you may see that piece in a future video. And I got some new drapes that's got to go up and some new rods. So it's not done yet, but you'll see it in another week or two in the background. But I am so grateful to this collab, because doing this collab allowed me to get out, go into the stores, and to look around and see the different price points for things and what's out there. And yeah, just got the ball moving, man. So I'm really happy about that. Exiting out, grateful hearts gather here. I'm thinking of also getting a wreath for the outside door. I'll probably post the finish of this on Instagram. That's a good idea. So I'll probably do a follow-up, but it'll be on my Instagram stories and over on Instagram. But as far as what I got accomplished within the time frame, I have these two candle things. I pulled out the other one from storage. I bought the set from Costco's. They do light up by battery. So I have them on, and I'll hit the switch so you can see the little low light that it puts out. I got this centerpiece and it's to hold, you know, candles like this. So next time I'm in Marshall somewhere and I see like a set, I'll get it because it can go in there. In the meantime, I just popped in my DW candy corn candle. This came from Walmart. So the set from Costco's was about $25, and this centerpiece wreath was $12.96 from Wally World. Wally World also, second shelf. The candle comes from BBW. It's the Gather scent. The little towel, I repurposed that came in a 3-pack from Miss Vicki. She was very thoughtful in sending, and so was Alex. She sent without no obligation. This was not set forth in the challenge, but she sent a 3-piece little towel, dish towel kitchen set, and I thought that was really cool. So I used 2 of them at the stove handle, and I used the third one to be more like a little, well, how you would use contact paper. So I thought it was cute to stick it right there. That's just me, probably the grandma's coming out of me. But anyways, the towel set was wrapped in that, and so I took it off and tied it to the candle with the leaf. So I thought that was just a nice little way to repurpose it. The pumpkin, which can be a candy dish if you want, comes from Walmart, and it was $3.98, and the 2 cards on the second shelf is from Miss Vicki. I wanted to get a picture frame for the hand-drawn artwork that Alex sent earlier midway last month, and it was, you know, as like a really thoughtful way of saying she was excited about doing this collaboration, which I thought was really, really cool. And she had sent it, and I thought, wow, she's so talented. Look at her drawing. It's just, it just, I don't know, man, it moved me. So I went to the pictures area, and Walmart was just having a massive markdown. So as you can see, there's more frames. So I'm going to go on my next day off and get some photos of my children printed out. I tell you guys way too much, more than you need to know. And then I went and got my Jane Austen book and pulled it out and put the picture on there, and then there's just a little vase of just, I'm there on the third shelf. The unit is new, seal tag still dangling, so I thought it was really nice to bring into this area, and so it's conjunction with this collab, so it's new. I purchased it from TJ Maxx. It was $100 and some change, and so yeah, but I really wanted it. It was recycled wood, and I thought it was ethical and sustainable, and it's of some really decent quality. I like the it's not lattice work, but you know, the cross over there on the side. So it's just really cool, and I like dark woods. Let's see here. I picked up the Grateful pillow, and I was torn between this one and I Love You to the Moon and Back. And so I ended up going with this, and it is reversible. And just like a little, what they call it, lumber kidney type of pillow. And I like the mustard color of it, and then the reverse side has a lighter gray and almond color. I got that out of my storage, the little leaf, and then I put some fall inspired wax melts that I bought in conjunction with this challenge. So this one's fall fetty, and the other one is caramel bread, and so I figured whatever wax melts I'd be melting for the week would go there. Then I moved the flowers over. Then I bought a new warmer, and it was $12.96. I'm sorry, that pillow was $10 from Walmart. This warmer was like $13 from Walmart. And then there's my great granddaddy, and I put him there. And I didn't know, you guys, that Walmart sold tossed pillow covers for your living room. So, or you know, whatever room you put it in. And so I got that for $1 whole buck. It wasn't on the shelf for $1. It was like $4.96, but stuff was ringing up. Just massive deals that day. I hit the jackpot, I must say so myself. So I put that there on the sofa, and I had 2 red pillows on there already, and then I went and dug in the storage box and pulled 2 other red ones out. Over here in the kitchen, there's that towel set that Miss Vicki sent, and I really like the pumpkin. And as much as I like words and phrases, I'm really big on that. I like that this is, the pumpkin's there, but it's a little, it's soft. It's not like raw in your face, and I like the solid colored one. So those were the first 2 I pulled immediately to go in that space. And so that's the living room. The chair got moved. The chair is a recent purchase. It's not quite 7 months old. I bought it brand new from Costco's. The sofa is maybe a year old. I got it from City Furniture. So this really just helped me to build. The rug comes from Costco's. It's about 2 months old. And so it just really pushed me to start doing more with the space. This stand opened up that entire area. It allowed, the chair got shifted over. You know, it just really got things in a much better place. So I don't want to really overly spoil the add-on revisions, but there's a couple of other things, again, that if you subscribe to my channel or you come back and watch a future video, you may see some other stuff and you're going to be like, yeah, she kept going. So I do intend to keep going outside of this challenge. Thanks so much, Alex and Vicki, just for being some awesome ladies. Be on the lookout next week because a treat is coming to you. I am not a person that just get. I like to give. And so I wanted to send something special. So I had fun. This really got me going. You probably can hear me smiling on the other end, and it's been a while since I've wanted to decorate, and so this was so much fun. Thanks everyone who came over from Miss Vicki and Miss Alex's channel, Life of a City Girl. I appreciate your viewership, and I hope you come back again. Be sure to like my video as well as Miss Vicki's and Alex. And have a blessed day, everyone. Anyone from my channel, please go over and visit the ladies. And if you would, comment in the description, in their comment section that you came from Road Reviews. I would appreciate that. Thanks so much. Peace.